How to recover Snapchat account without phone number and email. So on your Snapchat, if you have forgotten your password but your Snapchat account does not have phone number or email, I'm going to show you on how you can recover such Snapchat account. So for this, you need to exit the Snapchat application. Here you will not find any solution to this, so open up your preferred browser and search for support.snapchat. So search for this and go to the very first website, which is Snapchat support. Over here, you want to scroll down and go to Contact Us. So here, just scroll down and then tap on Contact Us. Once you do that, here you need to submit a request. So let's choose the category. So the first category is I can't access my account. Once you tap on that option, you're going to find the subcategories. So over here, you want to tap on I forgot my password. Once you do that, here you can go through all of this, and then you have to tap on yes to still need help. Once you do that, this section will open up. Here you need to enter your username. Then you can enter any active email. Then enter your mobile number. Again, both email and mobile number does not have to be associated with your Snapchat account. Simply add a valid one and that will do. Now in the description, just briefly describe your issue. So here, as you can see, I have written that I have forgotten my password and I don't have my email or phone number associated with the account, so I'm requesting for help. Once you do this, here you need to do a verification process. So simply do this test to prove that you are human, and once you do this, your mail will be sent. So now tap on verify, and once the verification is done, your request will be submitted, and all you have to do now is wait for their email, so they will contact you to recover your Snapchat account. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.